Fixing up a fixer doesn't always make sense. Let me share with you the perfect example where this was the case. We recently worked with a client in his mid-20s who inherited a home after his mother passed. He was the trustee, and the house needed a tremendous amount of work. A lot of people assume the best move is to remodel, fix it up, and resell it. And oftentimes that is true. But in this case, the risk just didn't line up. There was significant deferred maintenance, limited capital, and real concern that costs could spiral. The turning point came when we looked at remodeling the pool. What we thought would be a $15,000 to $20,000 refresh turned into easily a $60,000 to $70,000 project because the bottom of the pool had completely deteriorated. It needed rebar, new shotcrete, everything. At that point, we had to step back and say, this no longer makes sense. Beyond costs, there were other concerns too. Liability, time risk, beneficiary risk, and the responsibility that this trustee had to protect everyone's interests. So instead, we marketed the property as is to our investor network. We were able to sell it quickly, get pretty close to market value, and most importantly, help this trustee move on without years of stress. Sometimes the smartest move is knowing when not to renovate. I'm Jordan Bennett with Jordan Bennett & Associates. If you're dealing with a property that needs a lot of work and you're not sure whether to fix it or sell it as is, I'd be happy to take a look and help you determine the best path forward.